1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. This is the Fibonacci sequence, a sequence of numbers that starts at 1, and every subsequent number is the sum of the two numbers that came before. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, I'm guessing a lot of you already know this, but deep in its core, there's a mysterious power it has that few can comprehend. It can understand Americans, because somehow, this list of random numbers can convert between miles and kilometers. Seriously, look! 8 miles is about 13 kilometers, 13 miles is about 21 kilometers, it even works backwards. But well, how? Well, let me try something. If I take one of these numbers and divide it by the one before that, I can split up the fraction like this, and I guess I'll try flipping this extra bit around and I get, oh, this is just the fraction if I pick the last number. I can do this again, and again. Now, eventually I'll run out of numbers and this fraction will stop, but the higher number I pick for this, the longer and longer this fraction will get, and if it ever got infinitely long, it becomes a very special number with a very special name. This is the golden ratio. It's an infinitely precise value just like pi is, but it's like 1.6. That means that every number in the Fibonacci sequence will be about 1.6 times larger than the number that came before. Exactly like how you can fit 1.61 kilometers in every mile. The conversion factor just happens to be close to the golden ratio. It's literally one big cosmic coincidence. So if you're without a calculator, somehow, and need to convert between miles and kilometers for some reason, just whip out your expansive knowledge of mathematical sequences and impress mostly yourself, or just use miles, they're clearly superior.